How to store photo in Google Drive. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to store a photo in Google Drive. So to do this procedure, make sure that you've already stored photos into your device or your PC. Now open up a browser and on the web address bar type in drive.google.com and log in into your account. Now press the new button from the top right hand side and click on. Then you could go ahead and create a new folder, or you could just go ahead and simply upload the file by tapping on file upload. Press that. Next thing, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and locate the file location. So in my case, I have it in a picture. So here you can see these are all the picture. So what I need to do is you can just go ahead and drag it all like this, and then you could go ahead and click on the open button. Now you can see right at the bottom in the right hand side bar there is this icon stating or indicating that this photo is being uploaded. So that's how you can go ahead and store a photo in your Google Drive. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.